Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the MI Band 2. Now MI Band 2 is not a new product, it's a very old product. This has been there for a long time. I've already done a lot of tests on the MI Band 2. Now this is the newer version which has been launched in India. The sale of MI Band 2 has had been stopped in India. The only one which was available was the Hrx version. So it's the same band with the with the heart rate monitor removed. So it's a cheaper version. Now it really depends on you which version you want. You want the one with the heart rate version or you want the one without the heart rate version. I'll be talking about the use of the heart rate version and what's the difference between both of them, so you can decide on which one to buy. So I'll be doing that next in my next video. So this time it's just the unboxing. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, the reason why I'm still unboxing this is just to see if there's anything different that they've done from the previous version. I don't expect anything to be different. It'll be just the band and the charging cable, nothing else. But let's see. Remove this. So that's the band itself, and that's the strap. Let's look at the charging cable. Okay, so that's what you get, a charging cable. So you have to put this module here like this and then put it for charging. Okay, so one more thing, not all the power banks can charge a low power device. So you'll see that you connect a device like this which takes less than 1 ampere power. The power bank does not recognize that, and then it auto shuts off. So you will see that whenever you're connecting a band like this onto a power bank, it keeps shutting off. So that's why the MI power banks, they have a low power charging mode. So if you connect this to this and do a double press, then it starts a low power charging and it'll charge the entire thing. So that's a good option, which I do not have with my rest of the power banks. So just a FYI, it's not a power bank video though. So let's keep that aside. Okay, so let's take a look at the user guide. So basically it'll be the same. Install the MI Fit app and pair the Band 2 with the phone. That's it, nothing much. Okay, so we'll keep that aside. So nothing much to see here. So the band is the same as the Hrx band. The only difference is you'll not have Hrx written over here. It'll be a regular band. Okay, so that's it that you get with this. You get the module, you get the charging cable, and you get the cable. So I'll go ahead and compare it with the Hrx version. I'll also compare it with the previous version of MI Band 2 just to see if the display has changed, because the display on the MI Band 2 and the Hrx version are different. So the previous, I have the MI Band 2, the previous version, and if I look at the display on that and the Hrx version, there's a lot of difference. So I'll be talking about that also later on. So wait for that video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.